I'm with Khun Chanukorn at Mitsubishi Motors at SETA 2019, and next to us is a PHEV. Khun Chanukorn, can you give us some information about this vehicle?
Yes, thank you. This is our Mitsubishi PHEV, the world best sellings in the world, because these models we already export from the Japan to the Europe market and also in the US. So this is the world best selling because of this model also can provide more environment and can use both for the energy and the electricity. Yes.
And where is the vehicle being manufactured? Is it being made in Thailand?
Yeah, for these models we also produce in Japan, right? So that's why we import this model for the SETA 2019.
Are you happy and optimistic with the sales of this?
Yes, of course, because this is our the flagship models, and also we are now planning to introduce this model in Thailand soon.
With the charging of the vehicle, how far and long does it go on a charge before you need to recharge it?
Yeah. So for these models, normally we also have the test internally for the per one charge, one tank of the gasoline. For the total distance is almost 700 kilometers.
Fantastic. Okay, I wish you a very successful SETA 2019. Thank you for talking with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.